G'day, it's Aussie Rob here from down under in Australia. Man, am I so looking forward to coming over to meet you and to be able to empower you at the Wealth Builders Summit. It is going to be an awesome event. I know all of the other, or most of the other speakers that are there at the event with you this weekend, and you are up for an absolute fantastic time. It's going to be great. Now, what I really want you to do is I want you to be focusing on all the positive things that are out there. Now, I know that might sound very, very difficult at the moment because all of the news is doom and gloom. We're in the middle of a recession, a depression, whatever you want to call it, economic doom and gloom. But you know what? The interesting thing is that what we're going through right now is that we're seeing the biggest transference of wealth in history. Now, it's really interesting that people make more money in depressions than what they make in the good times. Now, those people are special people that have the tools and have the techniques to be able to get ahead. And that's what I want you to do. I want you to come along to the Wealth Builders Summit so I can empower you and teach you with my knowledge, as well as all the other fantastic speakers that are going to be there to be able to teach you. Now, I mentioned just a minute ago that we're seeing the biggest transference of wealth in history. Well, that's not exactly correct. The biggest transference of wealth has been just after the Great Depression. Now, isn't that interesting? At the time that is the worst economic time in history, straight after that, people made so much money. Who made so much money? The people in the know. Now, the interesting thing is that we're smarter now. Right, we have far better tools for wealth creation. So I tell you, we are heading to an absolute gold mine. There is so much opportunity out there, right now. Now, what we need to do in this type of market right now is we have to learn diversification. That's exactly what I'm going to be teaching you. I'm going to be teaching you how to diversify trading commodities. Commodities are fantastic to trade. They're the things that I call the real things that make the world go round. Things like crude oil, gold, wheat, rice, corn, etc. No matter how bad an economic climate is, people still need to eat. And when things are really bad and inflation starts to increase, which we're going to be seeing shortly, when inflation goes up, people will go to gold. So gold's going to be something fantastic to learn how to trade. In addition to that, I'm going to teach you how to trade Forex. Forex is the currency market, the foreign exchange market. That is a fantastic market to trade. Do you know that even in these days right now, where trading is, well, some people think that trading is too dangerous in these days. Well, I'm not talking about the stock market. I'm talking about trading some great things like commodities and currencies. Do you know, right now, in this climate that we're in right now, one of the biggest doom and gloom times in history, Forex is actually trading over $3 trillion a day. You got that? $3 trillion a day. How many zeros is that? That's a heck of a lot. Now, in addition to that, the other thing I'm going to teach you in your diversification is share renting. Now, right now may not be the right time to be trading shares, or it might be. Who really knows? We don't have a crystal ball. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you step by step, systematically, how to rent shares. Rent shares? Isn't that interesting? Just like real estate, you rent real estate to bring in a regular monthly income out of your from your tenants. Well, I'm going to teach you how to do that with your shares or your stock. In Australia, we call them shares. You guys call them stock. Same thing. So I'm going to teach you how to get a good, regular, consistent monthly income out of that. And I'm going to show you how to make at least 5% doing that, and it's going to take you less than 30 minutes a month. So, guys, it's been really great chatting with you. I really look forward to meeting you. Please log on, book in right now to the Wealth Builders Summit, and I really look forward to meeting you. Cheers.